Because y'all know we're gonna do nothing fake. Nothing fake, okay? Hey guys, it's your girl Jess Renee and I'm back with yet another video. If you guys have read from the title, yes, I'm doing another unboxing. See, another unboxing just for you guys. And yes, I opened the package, but it was only to ensure that everything was perfectly fine, so I wouldn't have to send anything back. So yes, everything is fine and I absolutely freaking love it and I cannot wait to show you guys. So before we get into this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at JessRenee ____. Bye. Okay guys, are you ready? Okay, before we get into this video, I want to point out if you hear any extra noises, any sirens, it's because it's thundering and raining outside and there's like sirens going off because of a tornado storm warning. But that's besides the point. Your girl got an unboxing to do and I know you guys are excited to see what's inside, right? Because I was excited. So anywho, if you order anything luxury, whether you do online, well online of course, if you order anything luxury online, it's going to come in a brown package. It's going to be sealed. Nothing on this box will say Gucci, Louis, Chanel, Prada, any of that. It's going to be as discreet as possible. But the thing is, you have to make sure that there's someone home to sign for it. If not, they're going to, like, I guess, ship it back to the post office or something. You have to pick it up. So yes, it ships within 3 days. What Gucci does, it ships within 3 days for me. And I got it with the quickness, okay? As y'all can see, Gucci does this thing with the box, the interior of the box, you know, as if we're going to keep it. But I guess they want to, you know, just make it look good for the time being, okay? So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is my first time getting something online from Gucci. Because last time, if you watched my unboxing, I went in store in Vegas. They boxed everything up for me, gift wrap, because it was my birthday last year. So yeah. And then of course it comes with little cards. That's first. Secondly, all right, so guys, we will reveal the small one first. And as you guys can see, you know, the same little ordeal, you know, the same little, what am I trying to say? Packaging, that's the word. The same little packaging as last time. It has their Gucci logo at the bottom. You know, because y'all know we're gonna do nothing fake, okay? And then you open, shoot, everything's falling out. It has like your Gucci cards in there, you know, just to let you know it's real. And then it has a dust bag for the product, okay? Y'all should guess. Comment down below what y'all think this right here is. Comment down below, let me know what you think. It's very tiny, but I'm sure it's bomb. That's all that matters. Good things come in small packages and you guys will find out. So we're going to reveal what you think it is, okay? What y'all think it is. Let's see. Your girl got a Gucci wallet. Your girl got a mini Gucci wallet. Y'all see? It's pretty, huh? It's super thin, it's super small. It's way smaller than my Gucci wallet I had last year. And my LV wallet, way smaller than it. So it has the Gucci logo or the Gucci symbols on the front. And it has the Gucci colors. And then it has the Gucci initials and everything on the back. And I chose the brown color because, yeah, I know I always do black. But I wanted to do something different, something neutral. So I got... See, my neighbors upstairs. Like I said, it's going to be some noise, and now they want to be up and active. So hey, we're going to ignore them, okay? But so yeah, it comes with 2 pockets in the very front, 1 and 2, and then for some reason it comes with another small slit right here. I don't know exactly what I could put in here, you know, but we'll figure something out. And then it has Gucci. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has the Gucci embroidered in the inside. And you guys know they won't do what? Won't do nothing fake over here. Nothing fake. And then there's 2 more pockets on the back. So I'm going to give you guys another little peek at this. What do you guys think about my wallet? And which wallet do you like the most? Do you like this one? Do you like my black Gucci wallet, or do you like my LV wallet? Because the LV wallet is like full size. You can put like way more stuff in there. My black wallet, let me see, I think I may have it. Okay, and this compared to, this is just like a pocket wallet, something to put inside like a small little bag, or like my wristlet. I needed something very small to put inside like my wristlet, you know, when I'm on the go, when I don't want to carry a full-size wallet. I just need something small and sleek. Put my debit card, put my credit cards, put my ID, you know, all that fits in here. So yeah, y'all can see the difference between my black Gucci wallet and this one. Like, there's nothing, like no extra pockets or anything, no coin pouch, but that's perfectly fine because this is exactly what I wanted. So we're going to move on to the big reveal. Okay, y'all, so this packaging, like, I love when Gucci, like, they package their boxes and everything. Like, even on the ribbon it says Gucci. My last package I got from them, it had a green ribbon. If you guys want to go back and check that video out, which you should do, go back and check that video out after you finish watching this one if you have not done so already. But yes, it has like a ribbon on the back. Are y'all ready for this reveal? Are y'all ready? Okay, let's see. Because I be excited when I get my packages in the mail, honey. I be excited, okay? Really excited. So we're just going to slowly open up my package so we can see what's inside, okay? Okay, as you guys can see, there's like Gucci gift wrapping on the packaging. Gucci don't play it. They're going to let y'all know that this came from Gucci, okay? And this, I don't even want to throw this away. Like, normally I throw all my gift wraps away, but honey, I'm going to keep this because this says Gucci, okay? So yes, we're going to reveal it, finally. Okay, and before we do so, what do y'all think this is? Comment down below what do you guys think it is. What do you guys think it is? Just take a guess, and it doesn't matter if you're right or you're wrong. I just want you guys to comment down below what you may think this one particular item is, okay? Okay, so for the ones that have guessed correctly, honey, you are absolutely right, but I bet you didn't guess this person. Let me just show y'all. Where's my wallet? Like, how freaking cute is this? Like, I have the matching wallet with the matching bag perfectly. And as you guys can see, when you order from Gucci, online or in store, they never like strap up their the belts for the purses or anything. You have to do it yourself. And when I first got it, I thought it was broken. I was like, oh my freaking goodness, what's wrong with my bag? And I realized, jazz, do it yourself, honey. Also, I did a thing this go round that I have never done before, but I was like, with every bag that I have from here on out, I want to get my initials on it. As you guys can you see that? JRT. Those are my initials. And one thing about getting your initials on any merchandise, once you get those initials or anything on there, you cannot send that item back. You can get it, you know, touched up if you know, it starts to peel or fade or anything. You can get it touched up. But honey, if something was wrong with this bag, or well, if I didn't like this bag, honey, if I thought it was too small or too big, which is not too big, of course, I was not gonna be able to send this bag back. They was like, once you get them letters on there, it's yours to keep, my guy. That's exactly what they said. So yes, I'm just going to put my belt loop through the holes. I'm tall, I'm sure you guys know that, but I like to put it on the very last one because these like straps are very long. So you just put it through there, and of course with the initials, it will be underneath the strap. It won't be visible, if you get what I mean. Oh my goodness, this thing is tight. Okay, so we're not gonna worry about that because it's super tight. So yeah, so when you wear your bag as such, it'll be behind the strap, so it won't be facing the outer part. It'll be inside, right? So as you guys can see, this is the small GG Marmot, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me, but I do believe this is the small GG Marmot. Guys, I was very incorrect about that. This is the Ophidia, the GG Supreme mini bag. Okay, so I want to show you guys something. This one is the small Marmont Gucci bag mini. So if you guys are wondering what, you know, between the sizes, because at first I wanted this to be a mini and I was like, oh, it's too small. But when I tried on the black one, I felt like this was like the perfect size in black, because black appears to be smaller than what it is. But in this one, I really wanted a mini. Like, I knew for a fact what size this was going to be, so I knew what I was getting myself into when I decided to order the mini. So it's up to you if you want to get the mini or if you want to get your bag a little smaller, because only so much can fit in this bag. Like, it's not your everyday purse. I don't wear my bags every day, of course. This isn't your everyday bag. I'm going to show you guys how much can fit in here. Well, not really. That'll be for another video. So as y'all can see how small this one is. So of course, this is why I got my small mini wallet to go inside here, because I needed to still have some space for my phone, my keys, my lip gloss, hand sanitizer. I need to have space for all of that, in which it does have more than enough space for that. So I'm really happy with my results. And as you guys can see, it has a gold zipper, and the zipper also has Gucci. So if you order a bag, well, not order, but if you got a bag from somebody and you pay $500 for a Gucci bag, or you pay $250, or you pay how much, and honey, it don't got Gucci on the zipper, you know it's fake. Go get your money back. Return to sender. Go get your money back. Because like I said, won't do no fake over here, not a Jasmine. And then also, it came with this little keychain. I don't know exactly where to put this at. Maybe, you know, for a piece of clothing, honey. I don't know exactly. Or on a different bag. This bag, I'm not sure. It's super cute though, and it has Gucci again, of course. Y'all see that? And it's super cute. I don't know exactly what to do with it. And this is like another small little pouch right here. If you guys want to put like lip gloss, lip liner, whatever the case may be, they can fit there. And then it has the GG right here in the middle, super cute. And of course, as you guys can see, it has the Gucci colors, green, red, green. Of course, I don't wear green and red that often, but I feel as if those colors don't matter, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a super cute neutral purse, like super mini, super small. Like, I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this purse, if you like the size, if you're interested in it. Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, once again, the straps are very long, as you guys can see. They're very long. Purse is very small, but that's perfectly fine. It's whatever your liking is. And as you can see, the straps are made differently from the Marmont. This one has gold, and this one is just all strap. Nothing more to that. And it's super cute. I'm gonna have to fix this part, so if I don't pay this part no mind. Just get into the bag, honey. Get into the bag. I love it. I love it. I don't know what my next bag will be, or my next wallet, or my next luxury item. I don't know, but it'll be something soon, okay? I'm just adding to my collection. As you guys can see, I freaking love it. Just give you guys another rundown to how small this one is compared to this. If you want me to show, like, you know, what can fit in these bags and show the difference, just let me know. But this concludes this video of my mini Gucci bag reveal and my mini wallet reveal. And let me know what you guys think. See you in the next video. Bye.